Hello, this is Sherry Langton from the Instructional Design and Development team at UNC, and I'd just like to give you a quick preview of some of the updates that will happen in our Blackboard system on May 16th. Take a quick look at this calendar to see when the update will occur, right between grades being due for spring semester and the start of the first summer session. Bottom line, if you are teaching online this summer, it would be an excellent idea to get your course all ready before May 16th. Just contact us if you need help in any way. Don't forget, our Blackboard support site has quick reference guides and tutorials on all the Blackboard tools. So what is new? As an instructor, you usually don't get to see the My Grade screen for students. You probably know that it shows the basic information from your Grade Center in a vertical fashion rather than horizontal. One issue in the past was that students didn't know where to find your comments. The My Grades has been redesigned to a horizontal view, which makes better use of the screen and is easier to read. Students can now filter the listing to view all graded, upcoming, or submitted assignments, and they can see comments right in the display. So this will provide a much easier view of grades for students. There are some great new features related to tests. The first is test availability exceptions, which simplifies delivering tests if you have special needs students. You can indicate a specific user or group of users and set a different timer and/or availability dates for the selected group. The test options allow you to control whether students see their submitted answers, the correct answers, and feedback after they submit a test. Most instructors prefer that students do not see the correct answers on a test until everyone has taken the test. In the past, this meant that you had to remember to go back into the test options after all students completed the test and turn on the ability to see the correct answers and feedback. The new update enables you to choose multiple times when students see things. After submission, you might let them see their score and the submitted answers. When everyone has taken the test, you might let them see the correct answers and feedback. This eliminates the need to modify the test options after the test is taken. And modifying a test will be easier. In the past, if you added a question to a test, it went to the bottom of the list of questions. So you would have to drag and drop to move it to the desired location. Now, there is a plus sign between each question, so you can add questions in order. Although we've always been able to see if an assignment or test was submitted late by looking at the dates, now it is clearly flagged in several places: Needs Grading and the Grade Center. If you teach online, you are probably concerned about cheating, and sometimes students have problems when taking a test and it is hard to track down what happened. The new Access Log can help. It shows a detailed log of when a student started a test, when they ended, and when each answer was submitted. Long gaps between questions might indicate something unusual happened during the test. There have been some enhancements to the Groups feature in Blackboard. When you create a group, you will have an option of creating a Smart View in the Grade Center. This would enable you to view the Grade Center by group. In addition, there is a new group management screen which enables you to add and remove users all in one place. When you select all users, you will see this screen where you can add users to a group or remove them from groups. The new date management system will help you manage the dates in your course. Most of us copy our courses from semester to semester and then have to change all the dates. Blackboard has 3 options for changing dates: based on the start date of the semester, a specific number of days to shift dates, or manually through a summary screen. This function is found in the control panel under Date Management. The first option, shifting the semester start, doesn't work well with our current Blackboard environment, but we have put an enhancement request into Blackboard. The second option enables you to calculate the days to shift on a calendar and put them in, or you can use the summary screen to review and modify all dates in your course. Here's a look at what that summary screen contains. As you can see, this feature can only change due dates specified in assignments or availability dates for content items, discussions, or assessments. It can't change any dates you have embedded in the content. So one practice we recommend is to have a detailed course schedule in your course and eliminate dates from your content items. You'd be surprised how much time that would save. So that concludes the new features in Blackboard. If you'd like more information, please see the Blackboard support site where we have detailed documentation on the new features.